How to invest in gold using TSP funds for beginners. Transitioning from government or military service into retirement often prompts a closer look at your thrift savings plan, TSP. While the TSP is excellent for low-cost investing, it doesn't allow direct investment in physical gold. If you want to diversify and protect your savings, rolling over your TSP into a self-directed IRA, SDIRA, that allows gold is a smart option. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified 5-step guide to help you get started. 1. Check if you're eligible to roll over TSP funds. Before anything, confirm you qualify for a rollover. Separated from federal or military service, you can do a full rollover. Still employed and over 59.5, you may qualify for a partial in-service withdrawal. TSP loans must be repaid before withdrawing fully. 2. Open a self-directed gold IRA. To buy gold, open an SDIRA through a custodian who allows precious metals. Make sure they are IRS approved. Compare fees and storage options, segregated versus commingled. Choose a provider that specializes in gold IRAs. 3. Roll over TSP funds into the SDIRA. Start the rollover process. Use Form TSP 70, if separated, or TSP 75, if age eligible. Request a direct rollover to avoid taxes or penalties. Processing usually takes 7 to 14 business days. 4. Choose IRS-approved gold. The IRS only allows certain gold assets in your IRA. Coins, American Gold Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, Austrian Philharmonic. Bars, must be at least 0.995 fineness and from approved refiners. Avoid collectibles or unapproved foreign coins. 5. Store your gold safely. Gold in your SDIRA must be held in an IRS-approved depository. Segregated storage, your gold is stored separately. Commingled storage, stored with others but still yours. Depositories include security and insurance coverage. Why add gold to your retirement? Gold protects against inflation, balances market risks, and offers stability in uncertain times. It's a strategic way to protect your nest egg. Considerations before proceeding: consult a financial advisor before rolling over your TSP. Verify all firms, custodian, broker, storage, are federally compliant. Keep detailed records for IRS and retirement tracking. Buying gold with TSP funds may seem complex at first, but with the right steps, it's very doable, and potentially wise for long-term security. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.